So here we are looking at crosses for this week, third week of April. Lines of support and resistance. We'll start with a very frustrating pair, Euro-Swiss, prone to intervention by the Swiss National Bank. 106.92 at the moment, resistance 107.50, followed by 107.80 and 108.25, support 106.60 and 106. Euro pound, quite a big movement over there with the surge of the pound yesterday. So it dropped quite sharply, found support there, well, with this flash crash to 83, but 83.30 remains support, resistance at 84, further resistance at 84.80, which worked as support in late February, further resistance over there at 85.75. To the downside, we have levels last seen, well, in quite a long time. Euro pound was quite stable for a long time, but now we tested the downside, so we have support there at 82.67, 82.20, and 81.50. Let's continue. Euro yen. Let's zoom in just a bit. Currently at 116.80, resistance 117.40, 118.15 and 120, support 116.25, a bit weak, 114.50. And if we look to the downside, well, also here, we're back to levels, the strength of the yen, back to levels last seen about 4 or 5 months ago. So we have further support at 113.80 and 112.80. Pound yen, here we had a catch-up. I was complaining last week that this pair, the dragon, the gepi, usually a fast-moving pair, began slowing down, expressing some boredom. Well, no more boredom here. We had initially the strength of the yen, and now the big comeback of the British pound. Just under 140 at the moment. 140.50 is the level of resistance I see here. It was the high triple top in March, followed by 142, 142.80, and 144.80. Support 138.60, 136.40, and 135.50. All right, and as usual, we're adding oil prices to our technical segment for crosses. So quite nice range trading here. Stubborn bottom at 47. Since then we went up, managed to top the 52 level, which used to be resistance last year, and now we're in the range between 52 and 54.50, maybe 53.60 there. The recent high is also significant. And another line to mention to the downside is 49.50. Okay, so this concludes our technical segment for crosses. Today, April 19th, middle of April, just after Easter, trading volume fortunately is back, and so is volatility.